Good morning, YouTube. I got a fun one for you today. We put this engine back together with new injectors and new glow plugs. One of the glow plugs just wouldn't tighten up. Somebody tried a little JB weld on there to see if it would hold, and it didn't. So this glow plug rocketed out after about 3 minutes of engine running. So we're going to get in there today, get that hole drilled out, and put an insert in there. We got a kit here from eBay, a drill, a tap, and an insert. So we're going to put that all in there and put a new glow plug in. So first thing we got to consider is how the drill bit's going to get down in there. And yeah, it looks like we got just enough room. Get a drill head in here and drill that down about a 1/2 inch. The insert has to go in about at least that deep. So the top of the glow plug would be right there. Right, so I've gotten all the injector lines out of the way. I can move this wire down a little bit. Just enough that the drill bit doesn't hit it, or drill doesn't hit it rather. We're on. All right, so I had to remove this fuel line, and I don't want to get any material down in it, any debris in it. Got the cap. Here we go. So I'm gonna put a cap on it. Then we'll try again to get in there and drill. Somehow the cameraman missed the part where I was greasing up a cotton ball and stuffing it down in this hole so that any metal fiber that falls down in the hole is going to get caught on that greasy cotton ball. He also missed the part where I talked about we're going to step up one drill bit size at a time so we keep this hole nice and straight like it was originally. We're getting an awful lot of metal fiber down there, so I'm going to get the vacuum cleaner out and suck that up. Now this is going to be fun. I haven't figured this out yet. Pause. That's way down in there. I bought an extension, a tap handle extension, but the damn thing's way too small. It said it was good for up to 12 millimeter. I don't know what they mean. I don't know what 12 millimeter is going to fit in that. This is a 10 millimeter. And it isn't anywhere close. No. So I got to figure something out for this. Regular socket extension, long one. Put a little tape on it so that it doesn't fall out. It fits in there almost tight, not snug, but now it's on. And my tap handle extension or ratchet fits onto there. So I think we're in business. So our tap is going in the hole, so I can only see about 2 or 3 threads left. I want to make sure that's enough room for our insert to get all the way down in. And yes, it is. We're only got, it looks like the top of the hole would be about here. I want to put that down in a little bit, like that. So we're good. Time to clean the hole out. Alright, we still have that cotton swab down in there, cotton ball. So I'm going to clean the oil off a little bit. Get that cotton ball out of there. Definitely want to get that cotton ball out of there before we put the insert in, because it'll be real hard to get that cotton ball past the insert. All right, grabby tool doesn't want to do it. Twisty twist. And pull out our little nastiness. Had to use a long screw to grab it. Long sharp screw to grab that cotton ball. There we go, then we'll vacuum out one more time. All right, so we got the glow plug insert, 9mm hex key. It's in there, we're gonna run it in the hole. There we go. Oh, that started real nice and easy. Yeah, it tightened up just at the right spot too. It's just a hair beneath the surface, which is exactly what we wanted. I think too, I want to put some JB Weld on that so first person that tries to remove the glow plug doesn't pull out the insert instead. High heat JB Weld. We probably don't need JB Weld at all. This is essentially just going to be thread locker for me. I'm going to give a little squirt. We're going to put that in the hole. There we go, that's tight. Now it needs a new glow plug. All right. Anti-seize on the injector, don't forget that. Injector on the glow plug. Yeah, anti-seize on the glow plug. We'll set that in there. Why is that not tightening up? Oh, well, we're not in yet. There it goes. She tight?
Yeah, I think that's about right.
Oh yeah, the depth is right too, just like the other ones. All right, so
Let that set up.
now I have to come back at some point to make that connector clip onto that glow plug again. But for right now, the engine will run again without blasting air. So we can put it all back together.